In the event that you're working with tight or enriching window trim and housings, or gathering little items like bird feeders, you'll need to get yourself a brad nailer. The 18-measure nails, or brads they use, are the ideal size for these undertakings, dissimilar to substantial completion nailers that are bound to part or harm-sensitive wood. Brads are likewise adequately little to be utilized to keep 2 bits of wood intact during paste-ups. This is particularly convenient with things that would be a test to keep intact with wood clips. To assist you with finding the best brad nailer for family work, we have evaluated a huge number of top models, testing them for power and productivity, favoring nailers that could deal with a wide assortment of brad nail sizes and those with the ability to acknowledge a lot of PSI, guaranteeing they enough drive nails. We additionally loved brad nailers produced using dependable and solid parts and those that were agreeable to utilize, frequently highlighting ergonomic grasps. A brad nailer is effectively quite possibly of the best device that you can use at home to make fixes more straightforward. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you best brad nailers for houseworkers. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Dextra brand. Dextra battery-powered nail gun makes it possible for you to access both nailing and stapling function. With a quick-release loading magazine on the bottom of the gun for fast and easy installation of staples and nails. With depth adjustment, this cordless nail gun can let you to precisely locate the depth of nails to your needs. Simply slide the adjustment wheel on the top to achieve depth adjustment, making it easy for a wide range of materials and different needs in nailing. Easily alternate between single firing and contact firing with dual mode switch, allowing you to choose sequential or contact actuation mode for your projects. Firing speed can reach 100 nails per minute. 20V brad nailer with 2-side LED working light helps to provide both workspace illumination. Non-slip rubber handle provides extra comfort when working. In addition, it lightweight and compact design, providing you with unmatched access into tight spaces. Belt hook is added for easy access and storage. The 18-gauge brad nailer is designed with on or off power switch, safety trigger for safety usage and to avoid accidental triggering. Besides, it can only shoot nails when the safety nose pin is fully depressed against the work surface, preventing accidental nail firing caused by misoperation. Applicable for upholstery, woodworking, DIY projects, flooring, furniture repair, pet houses building, home decoration. Number 4 in our top is from the NEU Master brand. NEU Master 20V Max battery-powered brad nailer/stapler eliminates need for compressors, hoses, or costly gas cartridges. It is a great ideal for different nailing and stapling application on various materials. The cordless nails gun has cylinder driving system that provide consistent firing power and can penetrate 2-inch wood at maximum setting. Precise single firing 4 and contact firing modes provide you more choice. The brad nailer gun only be triggered when the safety pull is fully pressed that prevent accidental injury due to human mistakes. 2 free dry fire lockout setting keep the nail gun tool from operating when the magazine is empty or missing nails in the nail pattern, which keep tool long life. The cordless brad nails gun features tool-free depth of drive adjustment for proper setting of nailing, a quick-release 100 nails capacity magazine, the dual LED light for workspace and error indication, a belt hook for free up your hands as needed, easy to use and improve efficiency. Feature the upgraded lithium-ion technology. The battery nail gun is lasting long and fires up to 800 nails after a fully charged 2Ah lithium battery. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the PHALANX brand. The battery is newly upgraded. If there is a problem with the battery, we have no reason to exchange. Please rest assured that you buy. PHALANX 20V cordless brad nailer adopts spiral drive technology. Different decoration scenes apply tool-less 6-bit depth adjustable function to achieve accurate penetration in every scene. 2000 mAh extra long rechargeable battery life supports you to work without electricity or inconvenient environment, and at least 1500 to 2000 shots can be made on one charge. Easily used for interior light decoration, perfect for home decoration. Only the safety nose pad is fully pressed before shooting the staples. Don't worry about the staples jamming the machine to bring damage. Quick release staple slot to achieve fully pullable, more convenient and fast cleaning method to give you a better experience. Wireless nail gun eliminates the heavy and cumbersome cylinder. Lightweight body front LED light can illuminate and diagnose errors in dark areas. Ergonomic handle eliminates most of the fatigue of the work. Number 2 in our top is from the GoGonova brand. The length of our nails is 16 mm. The thickness of the board do not exceed 16 mm. The compact and cordless brad nail is designed for light-duty works on soft woods. No more cord in the way. Powered by 12V 2AH battery, GoGonova nail gun delivers up to 1,200 shoots for full charge. No needs for air compressors or gas cartridge. 3-pound super lightweight gets you well prepared for multi-location jobs. The nailer or stapler provides a variety of impact force for better preciseness. In full compliance with safety requirement, the brad nailer discharges only when both the safety tip and trigger active. Effectively avoid accidental triggering. Up to 30 nails or staples per min, the bump firing mechanism is optional for your projects requiring quick finish. Quick loading design with max 90 PCS nails or staples large capacity magazine promise smooth firing. Following ergonomic principles, the non-slip rubber handle makes sure comfortability at work. Power indicator will remind you before battery dying. The package includes 500 pieces nails and 500 staples to get you prepared for versatile projects. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the NEU Master brand. With its spiral drive technology, the cordless brad nailer stapler deliver more full power shots than comparable corded tool without the hassle of using cord, gas, and compressor. Powered by NEU Master 20V Max Rechargeable Lithium-ion battery which has passed 1000 charging cycle test, the electric nail gun or staple gun can deliver up to 1100 full power shot for full charge. Non-marring rubber nose provides a complete finish. Oversized trigger and an ergonomic handle to combat grip fatigue during strenuous or time-consuming tasks. With LED lights and the belt hook, you can illuminate work area and take your cordless staple gun or nail gun anywhere to get the job done. Which brad nailers would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.